Y'all wonder what I'm doing? I am mincing some fresh rosemary because or I don't know if you do or not, but I feel like I have to have a starch with whatever entree and then a vegetable. So my starch go-tos are potatoes or rice or sometimes pasta, depending on what my protein is. But you want to mince this rosemary rather than leaving them in whole sprigs. So I'm going to the thing that I love so good, and that's a tater. Speaking of tater, I wonder how tater head's doing. We got a friend. He's a country and western singer. We like he and his family so much. And everybody calls him Tater, except me. I call him Tater Head. And I call his wife Miss Tater Head. Okay, I think right here is minced pretty good. So I'll just use that part. All right, now I've got some red potatoes that have been cut just like for potato salad. That's like the perfect size right here for potato salad. So I'm going to put all these potatoes in my plastic bag. Come on. You know, they make these bags now where they'll stand open. Naturally, that's not the kind I got, but all right, I'm going to put in my fresh garlic. And that garlic's going to make it real good. And how much olive oil? I can't remember.
It says
2 tablespoons.
But I can picture you putting more.
1, 2. Little salt. Little fresh ground black pepper. And you can do all this earlier in the day, y'all. And then just have it ready. You know, if you go to work, you got to go to work. You can prep this the night before, so when you get home from work, it's
smells
right.
So good.
Doesn't it smell so good? It's right ready to go in the pan. So we're just gonna mix this up real good. We're gonna keep tossing it and tossing it. And if I was doing this for supper tonight, I would put that in my refrigerator just like that and let it soak up all those good flavors. Okay. So let's see, which pan do I want to cook it in? I think they'll cook faster over here. So I like the idea of them being all piled up on top of each other. I like some crispy potatoes, all with soft potatoes. Okay. Just like that. I wish I could squeeze this out. That's got a lot of good stuff in there, you know? Look at that garlic stuck in there. You better get on that there. Okay. In the oven it goes. And we're gonna cook it until they're tender. Maybe 30 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. We'll just have to wait and see. These look so good, y'all. Yum. They're gonna be so good. Is our starch that goes with my meal tonight.
They
I just
smell
had-
amazing.
I'm telling you what, the garlic and the rosemary.
School resource officer
Mm.
in the school, so we'll see how the potential presence of the school resource officer resources.
So good, y'all. Just needs a little salt. And maybe a little squirt of sour cream to go along with them. Never met a potato I didn't love, y'all. Kind of like people. This is so good. So this is such a good, easy side for you. Try it. I bet you'll like it. Love and potatoes.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.